We are in the test practice, page 507. We did until question 4. Now we'll do question 5. Page 507. Today it's 20 February. But in the question 5, we have what is the area of the figure? Use it 3 point. Guys in the online, give me a second, please. Now let's do question 5. What is the area of the figure? Use 3.14 for pi round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. In our exam questions, be careful about the rounding thing. When I say round to the nearest tenth, you need to round to the nearest tenths. Hundredths, hundredths. We're not joking here. Give me any answer. It will be exact value, okay? So now we have 2 figures here. Here, composite area, not volume, not surface area. This is not a 3-dimensional figure. It has 2 figures, triangle and semicircle, right? Yeah, let's remember them together. We have something like this, like the ice cream thing, right? And here we have, how much this? 5.4. And this is how much? 10.8. So we have A1 and A2. So here big A equal A1 plus A2. A1, it's the triangle area. What is it? Half BH, right? This is half BH plus A2, semicircle, not full circle. We took the area of, which is half pi r power 2. Yeah. Diameter. It is the whole base of the triangle. The number is written at the middle, right? This means that this is the diameter, not the radius. And here they put what, guys? Right angle, mean this is the base, this is the height. This side has no relation with the area. Okay? I need base height or base height. I don't care. I have the diameter, but I need the radius for the circle, right? So the radius, you need to divide this diameter by 2. So here first prepare the radius. The radius, it's the diameter divided by 2, which is 5.4 divided by 2, which is 2.7. So the radius here is how much? Do you understand? Now apply the formula. This is equal half multiply the base of the triangle. It is the whole base, or this one, whatever. Okay? And you can use 10.8 and you can use 5.4. 5.4 multiply the height 10.8. This is for the triangle plus half times the 3.14 times the radius we calculated it, which is 2.7 power 2, means 2.7 times 2.7. Right? Now multiply, add, calculate. This is will be, we have half multiply 5.4 multiply 10.8 plus another half multiply 3.14 multiply 2.7 multiply 2.7. This is equal, the whole answer is 40.6053. This is the whole answer in your calculator, right? But the question wants me to round to the nearest hundredths. 100. The 100th, it's the second digit after the decimal, which is what here? After it, you have 5, so this will be 1. So the answer wanted in this question, 40.61 meter what? Power 2, because we are in area. Yes, Adnan. I have half circle, right? Half circle. I have what here? Half circle, right? And I have what here? Triangle. So the whole area, it's the area of the triangle plus the area of the half circle. Each one of them has its own formula. This is for the triangle, and this is for the circle, the half circle. Do you understand? If you have full circle, no need for this half, right? So here half BH, the base of the triangle, this one, 5.4. The height of the triangle, the given number, what is it? 10.8. This is the height, this is the base. Or this is the base, and this is the height. عادي. لأنه here you multiply base height or height base. It won't make any difference, okay? But half by r power 2. Now this is not the radius, it is what? For the circle, it is the diameter. But in the area, I need what? I need what? The radius, which means I need to divide the diameter by 2 to have the radius. So I did it, and the answer is 2.7. Now I replace B, H, R, pi by their values. Add, subtract, divide, multiply. The answer will be 40.61. Do you understand, guys? Do what? Question 6. Yeah. لحظة شوي لحظة. Because we have 2.7 to the power of what here? 2 means human being multiplied by itself 2 times. Half pi, and how much the radius? لا إله إلا الله. ركز حبيبي ركز الله يسعدك. ركز. How much the radius? باور شو يعني؟ هاي عرفت ليه؟ شطور. يلا. Question what? 6. In question 6, find the area of the shaded region, right? Sit down well, youngster. Now we have full circle. Inside it we have what? Square or rectangle? Square, because we only have one dimension, which is 11.5, means the four sides are the same of this one, which is 11.5. I want the shaded area. Here we added the areas, right? Subtraction. Negative, it's a sign of a number. It's not operation. Negative, it's what? It's a sign of a number. It's not operation here. Operation, we call it subtraction, not negative. You understand that? Yellow, we are on question what? 6. In the same page, 507, we have full circle, right? And we have inside it, what we have? Square. Why square? Because they tell me only one dimension of. They said that this is how much? Huh? 11.5 feet. Means this one 11.5, this one 11.5, 11.5, 11.5. If they wanted rectangle, they will give you this and this. So it will be different, means rectangle. Done? And here we have the radius of the circle. This is the center, and this is the radius 8.1. Okay? Now we want the region, this one, the shaded area here. So I don't need the square inside, right? So I will cut this square. I don't need it, which means I will do subtraction. The whole area minus the insider area. The whole area is area for what? Circle minus the area of the square and apply. صح? So the area which we want is a circle minus a what? Square. Right? If you find the whole area of the square, subtract from it the whole area of the circle. Subtract from it the area of the square, still left what? These parts, right? Which we want. Area of the circle, it's pi r power 2, no half, it's full circle, right? Minus area of the square, s times s, remember? Apply. This is equal pi 3.14 multiply the radius 8.1 to the power 2 minus the s 11.1 0.5 all to the power 2. Power 2 multiplied by itself 2 times. This is equal 3.14 multiply 8.1 multiply 8.1 minus 11.5 multiply 11. Multiply and subtract, it will be 3.14 multiply 8.1 times 8.1 minus 11.5 multiply 11.5. It will be, do they ask me to round it to the nearest hundredth? The full answer is 73.7654. This is the hundredth. After it we have 5, so the 6 will be 7. So the answer rounded to the nearest hundredth is 73.77 feet power 2. What's this 73.77? It's the area between, in between the circle and the square. Yeah. What? Of a what? Ball. It has special formula. I'm not sure about it. I think 3/4 pi r to the power 3. And the r is the radius of the ball. Yeah, ball. Sphere. We call it a sphere. So it has formula. This is the formula of, but we didn't take. Not yet, yani. Right. Now, are you done writing, guys? Are you copying? Yalla, finish. Finish, please. Done. Now let's move to the next page, 508. Question 7. A shoebox has the dimensions shown. We have length, width, and height. How many cubic inches is the volume of the shoebox? Right? So they want the volume. How we find the volume of this rectangular prism? Big B or capital D multiply the height. But what is the base of it? It is rectangle, means length multiply width multiply the height. So we have a special formula for the volume of the rectangular prism. The rectangular prism has special formulas in volume and surface area, remember? Yeah. So question 7, just apply the formula of the volume of the rectangular prism equal length times width times height. So this is equal the length. It is 13.5 multiply 6 at 13.5 multiply 6 multiply. Find the answer. Simple as that. So we have 30 multiply 13.5. It will be 405. Does the question or did the question ask me to round? No, because we have exact value 405. 405 what? Cubic inches. Direct apply on the formula of the volume. Okay, guys? Question 8. read محمد نشوف نيكي ايش بده. ايه. Regular pyramids. When I say regular, means the length and the width down are the same. So we have square, like the exact pyramids in Egypt. Continue.
How much wax is needed to make each guy?
Good. We have, take a look to your pyramid down. You have the length and the width are the same. صح? Means down we have a square, right? Now that's why they call it regular pyramid. So in question 8, I have regular pyramid, means we have a square down and 4 triangles up. And the dimensions are 4.2 and 4.2. Here 4.2 and here 4.2. And here the height, how much? 5 inches, right? But they want us to find mean. Why the volume, not the surface area? Nikki makes wax candles that are shaped like regular as shown. How much wax is needed to make each candle? How much wax? Means I need to know how much wax I can put inside this square pyramid, right? Means I'm talking about how much space can handle this wax. How much space? We are talking about volume. So here the volume of any pyramid, 1/3 capital B times height. طب what is the capital B? The square. Oh, length by width. يعني 4.2 multiply 4.2. 2. So this is equal 1 over 3 s power 2 multiply. صح? Apply. This is equal 1 over 3. If you write length by width, it's okay. Same. S by S or length by width, it's the same. Multiply 4.2 all power 2. Multiply the height of 5. Apply. This is 1 over 3 times 4.2 times 4.2 times. Apply. Now, how you multiply these? You multiply the whole numbers here up, then the answer divided by 3. Or in your calculators, you have a fraction form. Put 1 over 3, multiply عادي. So here, I'll multiply then divide by 3. It's 4.2 multiply 4.2 multiply 5 equals something divided by 3. It's 29.4. What's the unit? Cubic inches. Yes, Mr. Ask me. Because you have 1 over 3, Mr. Because you have 1 over 3. ماشي, multiply by 1 over 3. It's the same. يعني how you find this? هو I'm talking to you, Mr. هاي المرة الثانية بحذرك ما تحكي مع حدا. بزعلك المرة الجاية. ما تردش عليه. يلا. How you find this? يا مستر here. يلا. This is a grade 4. يلا, how you find 1 over 3 multiply 21. هو. ايوه. يلا multiply شو بيطلع؟ فوق ايش بيطلع؟ How much 21 over 3? طب multiply 21 divided by 3. It will be what? See, it is the same. This is why we multiply and divide by 3. Do you understand? Yes. Question what? Divide by 4. No, we want the area of this shaded region. The full area minus this area, we don't need it. It's a square, yeah, Mr. Square. What's the area of the square? How? And 11.5. This one for what? This has no relation with the square. Focus. طب we are done with the question 8. Yes, يا أحمد.
Mr. Can you keep just 1 second on question 8? I want to take a screenshot.
يلا.
Yes, thank you.
طب question 9. Are you enjoying playing with it? Good boy. Question 9. Yeah. What is the total what? Surface area. In question 8, we had square pyramid and we found what the volume. In question 9, what we have? Square pyramid, but we will find what? The surface area. So don't be confused between them. In question 9, we have square pyramid right? And we need to find the surface area. Down we have 6 yards and 6 yards. What's this mean? This means that down we have a square, right? So if this 6, this will be also, and this one, and these sides also are the bases of the triangles, right? Yani these sides down are the sides of the square. At the same time, they are the bases of the triangles up. The 4 bases are equal, and the height is given for each, or for all the triangles. What is it? And we want to find the surface area. Here, how many faces we have? Mashi, how many faces we have? 5 faces, right? We have square down and 4 triangles up. So to find the surface area, I will find the area of the square down and the areas of the triangles up. But the triangles up, all of them have the same base and the same height. So they have the same area. No need to find 4 areas. They are the same. If you want to say 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, you can say 4 times 7, right? So here, what we say, area of the square plus 4 multiply area of one triangle. Do you understand? Apply. Area of the square, it is S power 2 plus 4 multiply area of one triangle, half base times area, not volume. Area, surface area. Apply. S power 2 means 6 to the power of 2 plus 4 multiply half times the base 6 for any triangle times the height of the triangle is how much? This is 36 plus 4 multiply half times 6 times 9.5. This is equal. Now 36 plus 2 multiply 6 multiply 9.5. 150 yard to the power of 2. I'm talking about surface area here. Do you understand this question? Do you understand this question? Let's go to question 10 and let's read it carefully. Okay, quickly. Yalla, let's read question 10 carefully. Read, ya mister. Hey. Box means rectangular prism. Box عادي. It's normal box. بعدين يلا يا مستر ريد علي صوتك.
Box for a state from used in the school day. The dimensions of the box are 40 inch long,
The length,
24 inch wide,
the width,
and 16 inch tall.
the height, right? الطول هو الهايت. So we have length, width and height. Let's wait عمر مدور until he finish focusing with Adam. Let's wait. يلا. Finish. يلا finish. You are focusing with him. Focus with us, mister. يلا. Again. Yeah. Jesse.
Jesse is building a wooden box for a stage box used in the school day. The dimensions of the box are 40 inch long, 24 inch wide, and 16 inch tall.
Hello. Continue.
She plans to cover the box with 2 coats of paint.
بس. She want.
Cover
to cover the box with 2 coats of paint. What's the meaning of 2 coats of paint? Paint, أيوة, exactly. We know paint دهان, right? 2 coats means 2 times. She wants to paint it 2 times. Got it? Continue.
Each can of paint covers about 16.5 square feet.
Bas. Go back and take a look to the dimensions. They are in inches, right? And down, each can cover 16.5 square feet, not inches. So here they switch the unit, right? They turn it. We have different units here. In mathematics, you cannot work with different units. For example, if you have meter and centimeter, you cannot work. You need to make them 1 unit. You cannot use formula in 2 different units. So here you have feet and inches. So we'll turn the inches to feet so we can work in the whole feet thing. Okay? Continue.
What is the minimum number of cans?
Thus, she wants to paint this box, right? So we have a box. I'm in question 10, right? We have a box. With the dimensions 40-inch long, right? 40 inches long, and the width 24, and the height 16, right? This is in inches. Let's turn them to what? To feet, because down we will use the feet in the can of, by the way, can means what? Bottle, huh? Not can like I can go, huh? So here, let's turn the inches to feet. How we turn from feet to inch or inch to feet? What's the formula between them? Yeah. Eh? No, I want to turn to from inch to feet because I want to make the numbers smaller. It's better for me, right? Which better for you to deal with 40, 24 or 2 point something? So you can do that. Okay. So let's turn from inches to feet. What's the formula? 1 feet equal 12 inches. Now each 1 feet, focus now. Each 1 feet equal how many inches? 12 inches. Stop. 40 inches, how many feet? What we do? Divide by 12. Remember, we took this idea zaman. If you want to turn it from bigger to smaller, you multiply. From smaller to bigger, you divide. Now, 40 divided by 12. 3.4. What? Feet. Okay? And the 24, exact 2. And the 16 divided by 12. Yani 1 feet, 0.4. Okay? It's rounded. So now I have everything in feet, صح? So if I want to paint, I will paint the insider. She wants to paint the insider faces or the outsider. Make no difference, the same surface area. But for the thing she want to do, she want to paint the outside. So what we are talking about here, volume or surface area? Let's find the surface area, but with feet, huh? Yalla, surface area, it is 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. Check. This is equal 2 times length, 3.4, width 2 plus 2 times length, 3.4 multiply width or height, sorry, 1.4 plus 2 multiply width, 2 multiply height. Find it. Do you understand? Let's find the surface area of this box. Yeah, 2 multiply 3.4 multiply 2, right? plus 2 multiply 3.4 multiply 1.4 plus 2 multiply 2 multiply